Another one is a small baby over there. Bigger than.
Yes.
Oh. Whoa. Oh. This like is coming. Oh. Also, the task of the elephant determine if it's left-handed or right-handed. If it's a right-handed, normally will be the right tusk shorter than the left one because they use often to strip the part.
Okay.
Vice versa. Because they strip the part, so then the tusk will be one or smaller than the other one.
Yes.
Lobo.
Tahira, for the Tahira.
Dis hoe hulle met mekaar kommunikeer. Dis 'n geluid wat hy in die maag maak. Dis hoe hulle met mekaar praat.
Not happy with him. He's telling him, no, we're not ready.
Somebody got cheated on.
Don't go away. More. Another one of the smaller baby. Oh.
Would be part of this here.
Yeah, this part of this one.
Yeah, they're all together.
All together.
Yeah.